Welcome back, kitchen enthusiasts. We're trustedshopguide.com and today we're in the kitchen. In this video, two blender brands will be going head-to-head. We have the NutriBullet Blender and the Ninja Professional Blender. Blenders can puree vegetables into soup, crush nuts into butter, and of course, make smoothies. The best blenders will be easy to use and powerful enough to handle any ingredient you throw at them. Aside from that, you should be able to operate a blender intuitively without the need for an instruction manual, and it should offer a wide selection of speeds to give you better control of the blending process. In today's video, we'll be pitting two top contenders, the NutriBullet Blender and the Ninja Professional Blender, against each other in a battle of style and substance. Both of these units have earned 5 badges from our team at trustedshopguide.com, ensuring their quality, durability, and performance. However, there is only one room for a winner, so sit back, relax, and watch as we battle it out in today's brand wars. If you're interested in the other blenders that we reviewed, do check out our blender review video link below. If you want direct links to the products themselves, all these links are also listed below too. So without further ado, let's start the brand wars. The first category these blenders will be going toe-to-toe with are their size and form factor. Size is an important factor to consider when looking for a good blender. Most kitchen counters are already crowded with various kitchen appliances, dishes, and condiments, so choosing a form factor that's ideal for small or roomy countertop spaces is very important. Additionally, it's also important to consider the shape of the blender since it brings out the unit's compatibility with your kitchen decor. The NutriBullet Blender measures 7.75 by 8.07 by 16.1 inches, while the Ninja Professional Blender measures 9.5 by 7.5 by 17 inches. Although the NutriBullet Blender comes with a more countertop-friendly design, it's worth noting that in terms of design, the Ninja Professional Blender has a slimmer and more slender form factor. This makes it a more attractive choice for those with little countertop space to spare. Although the Ninja Professional Blender is nothing to scoff at with its slender profile, we'll be giving the first point to the NutriBullet Blender. For its lighter package and modern design, we believe it's the definitive winner of this category. The second category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with is their capacity. From a single serving portion to a liter worth of smoothie, there are blenders that can blend just the amount you need. Some machines have extra large capacities worthy of serving a party, while others are restricted to much more conservative serving options. Single portion blenders are great for people who live alone or where each person prefers a different flavor or style of smoothie. They're also great for households where everyone wakes up at a different time. Blenders that make larger quantities, however, are great for people who love making large batches of smoothies at a time, either for family breakfasts, brunches with neighbors, or post-dinner cocktails. The NutriBullet Blender has a capacity of 64 ounces and comes with a lid and a vented lid cap. This can easily serve 4 to 5 people at a time. As for kitchen applications, it's perfect for blending veggies into soups and crushing loads of nuts into pastes. Not to be outgunned is the Ninja Professional Blender, which has a capacity of 72 ounces. Significantly larger than the NutriBullet Blender, it also has a total crushing pitcher with lid, which helps to make sure everything is crushed in the process. For having a larger capacity than its competition, the Ninja Professional Blender allows to serve not only yourself but your friends and family as well. It earns 1 point to tie up the battle at 1-1. The third category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with is their power. The biggest difference between high-performance blenders and conventional ones is the amount of power they pack. Conventional blenders will often offer a wattage of around 300 to 500, while high-performance blenders can get up to 1000 watts and above. Immersion blenders trail behind the pack, sometimes offering as few as 100 watts, but most customers will want an immersion blender that offers more than that if you want to get some real use out of it. The NutriBullet Blender has 1200 watts of power that lets you make an endless array of smoothies, soups, sauces, nut butters, and much more. This much power also makes quick work of all these things, giving you more time to focus on other parts of your meal prep. The Ninja Professional Blender is no slouch as well, with 1000 watts of professional power that can crush ice and break down any tough ingredient. This powerful machine easily makes a great and versatile tool to have in your kitchen, regardless of what cooking applications you intend to do with it. For its extra power over the competition, the NutriBullet Blender will be more than worth it for someone who's interested in using a powerful blender that can do it all from making shakes and smoothies to soups and nut butters. The fourth category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with are their settings. Almost all countertop blenders offer different settings. They can be as simple as there being 3 different speeds or provide an array of settings for different uses like crushing ice, pureeing soup, or juicing. A machine that offers preset functions that match the primary uses you plan to put it to will be more user-friendly than one that makes you figure it out as you go. The NutriBullet Blender offers 3 precision speeds and the pulse function offers you full control at the press of a button. This makes it the ultimate cooking companion with multiple speeds to blend up any recipe, both quickly and precisely. On the other hand, the Ninja Professional Blender also has 3 precision speeds and pulse functions. This easily makes quick work of turning ice into snow in seconds, pulverizing whole fruits and vegetables into fresh juices, and blending up yogurt, sorbet, and frozen fruit into smoothies at lightning speed. For the reason that the Ninja Professional Blender has stole crushing technology that delivers unbeatable power with blades that pulverize and crush through ice, whole fruits and vegetables in seconds, we're giving it this round's 1 point, and so the score is tied up again at 2-2. The fifth and final category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with is their ease of cleaning. The more pieces your blender comes with, the more time you'll spend cleaning it. If you buy a blender with a large container, it may not fit in the dishwasher and you'll need to count on washing it by hand after each use. The containers used in single-serve blenders are usually dishwasher safe and can just be thrown in alongside other cups in your dishwasher, and immersion blenders are some of the easiest to clean. The NutriBullet Blender boasts a hassle-free cleaning process, as you can just simply place the pitcher in the dishwasher and forget about it. The Ninja Professional Blender is also dishwasher safe, making cleanup just as simple and easy as its competition. Where we start to see a difference between the two is in their blades. The NutriBullet's blades are non-removable, making it hard for you to clean the unit. The Ninja Professional Blender has removable blades, however, which gives it a slight edge over the competition. Thanks to the design of its removable blades, the Ninja Professional Blender takes the tiebreaker point in this battle and wins with a final score of 3-2. Finally, we have come to the end of this battle of blenders between the NutriBullet Blender and the Ninja Professional Blender. Even though it was a very tough fight, the Ninja Professional Blender beats the NutriBullet Blender by a narrow margin of 1 point. As much as we would like to keep going on about the wonderful features these blenders offer, there can only be one victor today, and the Ninja Professional Blender has already claimed its throne as it waits for yet one more battle with another formidable opponent. And there you have it, folks. The battle between the NutriBullet Blender and the Ninja Professional Blender has finally ended. If you have any contenders for our next blender face-off which you would like our team to test, do drop them in the comments section below and we'll be sure to assess them for our next update. If you like this video and it helps you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our kitchens great. We look forward to seeing you at the trustedshopify.com again soon.